In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create debit note in Zoho Books. A debit note records a purchase, return, or a reduction in what you owe a vendor. In Zoho Books, this is handled as a vendor credit, which increases the amount you can apply against future vendor bills. I'll guide you through where to find it and how to fill it out correctly so your accounts stay accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that the left-hand navigation menu is visible. If you manage multiple businesses, confirm you've selected the right one at the top before proceeding. From the dashboard, everything you need for this task lives under the Purchases area. Next, look to the left menu and click Purchases. This section centralizes your purchase workflows, including bills, purchase orders, expenses, and the option we need right now. It's a good habit to glance at the headings here so you know where related documents live and can easily come back to them later. Within Purchases, click Vendor Credits. This opens a list of all vendor credits you've created so far, along with filters and sorting to help you find existing entries. If you're just getting started, the list may be empty, which is perfectly fine. We're going to create a new one from scratch. Click the New button to create your debit note. Begin by selecting the vendor from the drop-down. The vendor's details and currency will populate automatically if they've been set up in your contacts. Choose the date for the debit note. This determines the accounting period. The vendor credit number is either auto-generated based on your preferences or can be customized. Just keep it unique. Add a reference, such as the original bill number or return authorization, to make reconciliation easier later. Now add the items or expenses you're returning or adjusting. Select the item, enter the quantity you're returning, and confirm the rate and tax. If you're crediting a charge rather than a physical item, choose the appropriate expense or account and describe the reason clearly. Check whether your prices are tax-inclusive or exclusive and verify the tax rate matches the original bill. If needed, add notes to explain the reason for the debit note and attach supporting documents like a return receipt or a vendor email using the attachment option. Before saving, review the subtotal, tax, and total credit amount. If you work in multiple currencies, confirm the exchange rate. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your vendor credit is now recorded and ready to be applied to current or future bills from that vendor, helping you keep your payables accurate.